Okay. We're trying to watch Miss Annabelle.
We want the same thing as last time, extra deep. I'm just getting a medium.
That's fine. Here, Mommy's gonna come this way so we can see your face, Annabelle. Hi, Annabelle. Hi, Annabelle. Can you go put it in the trash can?
No. I quit.
For all you people on the video, I'd get Parent of the Year.
I want to go Boston.
You can only get on here if you put that in the garbage can.
I'll sit on here.
I think Annabelle might be hungry, so she might not wanna do this, but today. Oops, sorry.
Monday.
Michaela, today is Wednesday.
Do you know what day it is, Michaela? It's hump day.
No, it's Wednesday.
Can you say hump day?
Hunter.
Hold on.
Cheese.
We're gonna video Annabelle. In fact, can Daddy hold the camera while I fix Annabelle? Oh.
Let me see. I got it.
Annabelle. Here, hold on for me.
Do it.
Mommy's recording Annabelle. Annabelle's learning how to crawl.
Quit, Annabelle. Clap.
Hold on, baby. Here, we'll put this under you. Oh my goodness. Is that better? Is that better? Is that better?
I'll go sit in there.
Good job, Annabelle.
Okay, I can see.
Go, Annabelle. Go, Annabelle. Michaela, you are too big for that bum ball.
Okay, Annabelle. Have you had enough exercising? Hold on, let Mommy get this. Hold on, I just want this. Say cheese.
Michaela, you are too big for that.
Okay.
Actually, she's not.
Okay, bye-bye, everybody. Michaela, what are you eating? Is that a sandwich? All right. Say bye, Michaela.
Bye, Michaela.